sọ pé queen mother òun ni godmother make una see me kẹ́ ẹ fi ra yín lọ́kàn ẹ wò ẹ sì máa gbókú kí lẹ tí ì rè é kí lẹ tí ì rí tẹ fẹ́ para yín lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Iyabo here Iyabo there Priscilla here gbogbo yín bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń fà lọ́tún tẹ́ ń fà lọ ẹ sì ní sùúrù this is not ego it's not here ẹ sì máa ké dáadáa kí lẹ tí ì rí kí ló tí ì ṣe kí ni Priscilla tí ì ṣe mo bá wo fídíò Davina sí ló bá ń gbó ló ń ka lára mo ní Davina jọ torí Ọlọ́run bó bá ṣe wo ní kálukú ló ṣe máa live life. You are not famous people tó bá ṣu gbogbo ayé ló máa gbé tó bá sọ gbogbo ayé ló máa gbé they don't even need to put themselves out there people put them out there. Davina, you are saying that Priscilla Akosawole wípé ìyá ẹ̀ tó wà famous you see where it lead the mother to where did it lead the mother to ilẹ̀ òkú tí Iyabo máa ṣí lẹ́nu Davina ìwà àti gbogbo family ẹ̀ lè ṣí ẹ má jòwó orí Ọlọ́run ló fún wọn kì í ṣèyàn tó bá ṣèyàn àti gbà á ibi tí Iyabo lè dé lẹ́nu Davina I dare your husband o ò lè dé bẹ́ẹ̀ tó máa fi kú ilẹ̀kùn tí Prince Rakim kékeré you are even jealous of Rakim Instagram page ẹjọ́ gbogbo ọmọ sẹ́lí why is it that tí Iyabo bá ti ṣe nǹkan àbí tó ọmọ Iyabo bá ti ṣe nǹkan that is when these people are always angry but this is the same thing other celebrities are doing. Davido àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ní Instagram Wizzy ọmọ ẹ̀ ní Instagram Tiwa Savage ọmọ ẹ̀ ní àwọn olótó àmọ́ ẹ̀ gbogbo celebrity lọmọ ẹ̀ ní lọmọ wọn ní Instagram now gbogbo àwọn baby Vicky James baby ẹ̀yẹn náà on Instagram so why is it that the things that the other celebrities are doing tó bá ti kọ tọ́ọ̀nù Iyabo àtàwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ máa gbó bí ajá what is your problem? tó bá sọ pé bó ní ìkọ́ bá sọ pé òun ṣe fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan òun ní kí ló kọ́ yẹn ṣe fèsì láìpẹ́ yẹn. If she says she doesn't want to show the face of her son, that is her choice. Kò bẹ̀yìn is no validation. In fact, tó bá wá validation gan, ó yẹ kó máa plaster ojú ọmọ yẹn káàkiri. Kò bẹ̀yìn. And why are you obsessed with seeing somebody's son's face? I don't understand. Why are you bímọ tiẹ̀ ni? Tó ìyá ojú bá ń jẹ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ ó bá wà ọmọ tó bí now. Just imagine, no. Only we did not beg for it. Did she beg you to come and see her son? What are you? Ẹ̀yin ètò àgbọn ẹ̀ ń wo ẹ̀ ń shopping more than lẹ́sẹ̀ every day more than àwa gan lovers ẹ̀ ń shop Priscilla lẹ́sẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ju àwa gan tá a jẹ́ lọ́wọ́ káwa tó rí anything ẹ̀yin lẹ́ máa ń kọ́kọ́ gbé kí ló kọ́ yín náà torí Ọlọ́run ẹ̀ ṣe fáwọn family ilẹ̀ kí àwa tá a jẹ́ lovers ká tó rí gan ẹ̀yin àti gbé ẹ̀yin lẹ́ ń ṣọ́ wọn jù kí ló dé if this is they are a public figure there is a difference between you and them they are public figure. Either you like it or not, they will always be in our faces. Mọ̀mọ́ pàtìgbà tí Priscilla àti ṣe wedding, expect kó lè fẹ́ Juma Jukes, ibẹ̀ ni ẹ̀mí yín ti ń gbóná. That is why you people are angry at the ex-girlfriend tó fẹ́ wọn ò fẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ òde máa lọ lé dádì ẹ̀. Ṣé kò wá sọ́kùnrin ọkàn mọ́ Tanzania ni tó jẹ́ pé ojoojúmọ́ na you ó kì í sí ẹ̀ ń bí odò ẹ̀ ń bí ẹ fi ẹ̀wò ọ̀kan láwọn ti wà ní ó ti lọ nìyẹn ó ti lọ mọ́ yín lọ́wọ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Bàbá Rakim ni ó rí ẹ̀ńbẹ̀ kó tó lọ gbé Priscilla tó ṣe wedding táyé gbọ́ tọ́rùn mọ́ tó tún fún lóyún tọmọ tún finú ṣoyún tó fẹ̀yìn gbọ́mọ pọ̀ he knows what he's doing kò sí nǹkan kan tó bá wù kó promise wọn it did not work out ṣé gbogbo ẹ̀yà àwọn tó ti tó Davina ṣé gbogbo wọn ló fẹ́ sílẹ̀ ni if it did not work out but it's just jealousy that is doing all these girls inferiority complex. Priscilla is so superior they feel super inferior that ẹwọ èèyàn tí Juma lọ gbé ó borí gbogbo eléyìí tí Juma ti ń fẹ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ he cover everything ọmọ yẹn súrà gidi wà lára Priscilla ẹ má jà parọ́ tọ́ra wa everything ṣáàtì ẹ̀ mọ́ ex Juma rí èmi tí mo ti mọ Juma mi tẹ̀mẹ̀yàn tó ń fẹ́ rí gbogbo yín ò lógo lára bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ọmọ yẹn ní súrà gbogbo ayé ìgbà tó fẹ́ Priscilla báyìí gbogbo ayé gbọ́ ọ̀run mọ́ without anything the whole world was moving like wọ́n ṣe wedding kan níbì kan the whole world was shaking pé kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ something the whole world was stand still nígbà tó fẹ́ Priscilla so kí ló wá dé tẹ́ fẹ́ para yín ó ti lọ kò wó àbàkú láṣọ ewúrẹ́ kò síbi tó ń lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àwa la ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kò síbi tí for better for worse for death do us part náà ṣe ní different country ní ti different time zone so kò sí nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ lè ṣe ẹ kúrò lórí ẹ̀. Priscilla tún ní èdè kìíní tẹ́lẹ̀ Iyabo. Priscilla is not a Yoruba actress. She's not a kí ló máa ń pè àwọn tó bá ń lọ party dáadáa bíi ti Iyabo yẹn. Kì í ṣe oní party, kì í ṣe actress. She has her own company. She sells her bag. She influences nǹkan tí Priscilla ń ṣe ni. The issue you guys had was with Iyabo, but because ìṣeré ọmọ Iyabo ó ń bí nínú, that is why gbogbo yín ṣe ń gbó tẹ́ ń gbó. That is it now. Gbogbo àwọn tó wá party Priscilla fún wedding ẹ̀ tán lọ back to back wedding Priscilla gbogbo àwọn tó wá àwọn yẹn náà ń ṣe wedding ṣé kò ní dé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni because I don't want she's not even you are not you barely see her. You barely see her. Ṣé òun náà ní dé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe bí all these people came to her own wedding. She's not publicly like that. But you just ẹ ṣáà ń wá nǹkan kan ẹ dẹ̀ parọ́ gbogbo yín wò ṣẹ́jú akọni ẹ máa pẹ́ létí omi. Òun ni mò ń jẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ rántí ń sìn. Pick your fight with the Iyabo that you have issues with. Why are you going for Priscilla? Ṣé Priscilla bá yín dá sí nǹkan kan rí? Àbúbá yín ṣe nǹkan kan rí kí ló dé tó yẹ pé torí pé ẹ ó ṣàǹkà yín lára pé báwo ló ṣe ń ṣe ẹ máa pẹ́ létí omi pẹ̀lú ògo Ọlọ́run ẹ máa ṣe kí ni ẹ̀yin pípọ̀ ẹ máa pẹ́ létí omi ẹ̀fọ́mọlọ́mọ lẹ̀ ọdún wo ló ṣì kọ̀kọ́ tí gbogbo wọn gbó kiri òun ló ṣàdùn yìí because ẹ̀yin ti ṣì mú tó bá yẹ pé you are happy where you are ni ẹ̀ ní máa tọpinpin ọmọlọ́mọ kẹ́ máa tọpinpin ẹ̀. Tó bá jẹ́ pé inú yín dùn lé ọkọ tẹ́ ẹ wà ní tọkàn yín balẹ̀ ẹ ní máa gbàdúrà pé kọ́ta Priscilla fail because you have to be happy within before you are saying that àtùpà yín rẹ̀ kò ń rí ìdí ara ẹ̀ before you people are saying that nǹkan báyìí she should go off social media. Why would she go off social media? So jẹ́ ìyálàyà yín ní explanation ni why would she do that? My dear, post your post on the wall is getting to them, is hurting them. Keep posting káyé wọn bàjẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Keep posting. Let them see your success. What's the social media for? Then you might post one more, you know what than. If you don't have anything to brag about, get the fuck out. It's always these broke people. You can never see people that are richer than Priscilla, like the Shadi Okoyas, like all these big women, that they will be coming and they will be saying that, Priscilla, stop posting on social media. You are the ones who are allowing all these things to happen. We all know that X won't move on. Especially when they know that your life is doing well. They never move on. Nǹkan tó dẹ̀ ń ṣe ọmọ yẹn nìyẹn. Ẹ pọn Júmọ̀ àti ìtòmọ̀ Húdà àbí kí ló ń pè àbí Húdí àbí whatever the fuck her name is. Ẹ pọn Júmọ̀ ó ti tán gbòòrò wò ó ti rí pé kò sí nǹkan kan tó dàbí ẹ̀pọ̀ yẹn kò sí yàn wọ́n ní ọmọ dáadáa lọmọ Júmọ̀ yẹn. Ẹ rí pé àwọn obìnrin ò fẹ́ fi ilẹ̀ wọn ò fẹ́ fi lọ́rùn lẹ̀. Bọ̀ ọ̀dọ̀ wa ló já mọ́ ọwọ́ wa ló já mọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Àwọn obìnrin ò fẹ́ fi lọ́rùn lẹ̀. X gan ó parọ́ pé òun kàn lóun post sórí Instagram ṣé àwa ló fẹ́ máa bó are you out of your mind? Ìwọ kàn lóun post kíni every 3 AK market day tó bá ti rí Júmọ̀ àti Priscilla báyìí á tún post wèrè ti fẹ́ sunkún agro ti fẹ́ pa wèrè move on. Ṣé Júmọ̀ nìkan ló wà ní ayé ni eléyìí ti níyàwó ìpít ó dẹ̀ yàn bí tó ti dànù ó yan ọmọ alálùbáríkà ọmọ tí súra ẹ̀dá àsìkò Priscilla ó sàn sówó ó sàn sọ́lá gbogbo ayé mọ̀ dáadáa. So that is just it. Súra àti yóò bára yín lọ Ọlọ́run kọ́ yín látọ̀run so move on and yẹn wèrè agbọ̀ràn ọdún go and face the life of your children. Leave Priscilla's life alone. Wọ́n ti gbé tiẹ̀ dáyà ọkọ lówó ìyàwó lówó family wọn olówó ni wọ́n so kí lẹ tó ìwọ ò rẹ̀ tí ìmọ̀ bí tọ́mọ tiẹ̀ máa yà sí ìwọ ló sọ pé Priscilla should not do this because you are not doing this. It's always these broke people tọ́ọ̀ ní owó Priscilla tábà tó owó Júmọ̀ àwọn náà máa advice 1,000 1 million adviser 0 helper tára tí wọ́n náà ni who can advise Priscilla ṣé ìyá ò lè advice ẹ̀ tó bá mọ̀ pé ó ní nǹkan kan tó wà wrong. Ẹ rí bí Iyabo ṣe stand gallantly pé wo nothing go do my pikin. Ẹ̀gbọ́n nǹkan tó sọ ni ó ní kò sí nǹkan kan ó ní ẹ lọ fọkàn balẹ̀ kò sí ẹ máa try ẹ rí Ṣọlá pé tó ń sunkún lójoojúmọ́ ni kí ló rí ṣe kò sí kò sí nǹkan kan tó máa ṣe Ìyábọ̀, kò sí nǹkan tó máa ṣe àwọn ọmọ kò dẹ̀ sí nǹkan tó máa ṣe Rakim pẹ̀lú òkú Ọlọ́run. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ máa gbókù ni ẹ ti máa gbọ́ eléyìí o níbi tó jẹ́ pé ọ̀rọ̀ Ìyábọ̀ yìí ló ṣáà ń dùn mí Ọlọ́run aláwa o láàrin àwọn èèyàn wa ìwà aláwa o. Òpònú yìí sọ pé Iyabo Ojo Aloba was only after Mohbad's money. Azao. How many times do we want to explain this to these mumorism people? Na Iyabo be Mohbad's mother or na Iyabo be Mohbad's wife? How can Iyabo have anything to do with Mohbad's will or Mohbad's fortune or Mohbad's anything? Ṣé Iyabo tún ṣe record label ni? Because how? How can Iyabo be? How is Iyabo involved in any way? How? Tell me. Owó táwọn managers don't kó lẹ̀ fọmọdé. They don't release the pikin money now. How can Iyabo? Hey, wàhálà wà lé ayé yìí. How? Just tell me how. Ṣé ìjọba ti fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ìjọba fẹ́ accuse you? Tell me how. She's not the wife, she's not the parent, she's not the legal guidance, she's not the record label, she's not in any form affiliated to Mohbad. Okay, bring one document that Mohbad insert Iyabo Ojo's name inside. Okay, Iyabo is my mother's mother, the mother of the day. Ó tẹ̀ jẹ́ pé mother of the day lásán. Àbí my godmother. Even gan tó rí pé ibi tó tún wọ̀ sí dé gan, ó yẹ kó ṣe skits. Wọn ò rí skit ṣe. That is how separate Iyabo's life and Mohbad's life is very very widely separated. So báwo ló ṣe máa pín into ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ tó máa kọ imam? That's how. They have never produced any script. The UK that that Mohbad went to, Iyabo is not the one that organized the program. Na Polo ló gbé àwọn artists lọ tó lọ ṣe program ní UK. No be Iyabo. Wọ́n ṣe gbé Mohbad náà pé gbogbo àwọn other artists náà lọ. Iyabo happened to be the girlfriend and the wife of Polo. That is why Mohbad has the opportunity to talk to her. Akasi, yàtọ̀ sí yẹn. Give me any place prior to Mohbad's Kpai that you have seen Iyabo with Mohbad. About the concert, about the anything. Give me any place that you have seen Iyabo with Mohbad. Tá bá sọ pé wọ́n jọ ń ṣiṣẹ́ papọ̀. Actress Iyabo, Mohbad olórin ni. So give me, give me. Ẹ kò fẹ́ máa stress ìyá yín kò ní dáa fún yín. Ó ti jó mi ní now. Give me an evidence. Mo ní kó ṣe jẹ́ pé mother of the day ni Iyabo ti ẹ̀ ṣe. Ẹ ṣáà rí pé wedding pella ẹ rí pé Iyabo ni mother of the day. Tó wá ti ẹ̀ pé ìyẹn ni Iyabo ṣe nínú ayé Mohbad. Àbáṣepọ̀ we know this. You people will just talk out of your bum. Ní lu ọpọlọ, kò sọpọlọ lórí yín. Only Mohbad Kpai for house. She talk say na naira kpai am. Let me tell you another. Nǹkan tó ń pè manipulation. Mo máa sọ fún do not fall for manipulation. Ní mọ̀ pé o ti fall for manipulation because wọ́n máa gbé dáadáa fún ẹni. As at that time when Mohbad don kpai, there were circulations on social media that Iyabo, how will I say it? That CCTV camera one that they should check the house. They will know what Kpai Mohbad. They will know who Kpai Mohbad. CCTV camera did the house. That's what everybody. They say all the house in Lekki. CCTV camera they did the house. Then Iyabo came outside say CCTV camera dey for that house but na outside. It no happen. It no dey for inside. If you are looking for CCTV camera, na outside. CCTV camera no dey for inside. But Mohbad that we know, he say he kpai in the house. But how can CCTV camera wey dey outside give us the facts of what happened inside the house? Because it was too contradicting something. And she was trying to clarify it based on the CCTV camera that whatever happens inside the house. She wasn't literally saying it like me, mo ṣe fẹ́ explain kìíní ìbò yìí. Bí pé kéèyàn máa explain, kéèyàn fi nǹkan wé nǹkan. She wasn't really necessarily saying it like, inú ilé náà pa Mohbad sí. She was saying it that tí Mohbad bá ti ẹ̀kú tí Mohbad bá ti ẹ̀kú sínú ilé, kámẹ́rà tó wà ń ta báwo ló ṣe máa rí Mohbad tó kú sínú ilé? Ó dà bí mo ṣe lo Yorùbá yẹn. Because that is what everybody was shouting online then. Gbogbo kámẹ́rà wà ń bẹ̀ o, ṣé wọ́n pa kámẹ́rà ni? Ẹ jẹ́ ká wo kámẹ́rà tó wà ń bẹ̀ o. Wọ́n ní kámẹ́rà ìtaná máa fi kámẹ́rà sí, the compound, the fence and everything. Torí olè dẹ̀ ní kámẹ́rà àbí intruder. Wọ́n ní kámẹ́rà yẹn wá ní ìta. Wípé tí Mohbad bá tiẹ̀ kú sínú ilé, ṣé mo pé tó bá ń sọ òyìnbó àti tó bá ń sọ Yorùbá, ìyàtọ̀ wà ń bẹ̀. Ṣé rí nǹkan tí Iyabo mi ní ṣe? Wípé tó bá tiẹ̀ pé Mohbad pàpà kú sínú ilé o, kámẹ́rà tó wà ń ta kò lè rí nǹkan tó wà nílé. Bó torí pé ó fi English sọ, ẹ̀yin wá take it literally. Wípé ó sọ pé inú ilé ni Mohbad kú sí, ó ti fún yín ní evidence, ó mọ̀ pa kì í ṣe nǹkan tó mean nìyẹn. Based on the camera, CCTV camera tí gbogbo ayé ń pariwo, gbogbo tó bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ pé inú ilé ló kú sí, ṣé kámẹ́rà tó fi síta báwo ló ṣe máa rotate 360 kó lọ rí nǹkan tó wà nínú ilé? These people know exactly what Iyabo was talking now. Ṣé bá sọ pé wọ́n remove word out of context, wípé kán yọbì kan kó sọ̀rọ̀ tó pọ̀ sílẹ̀, kán wá yọbì kan tó fẹ́ lò against ẹ̀, nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀, nǹkan tó ń pè manipulation ni. If you believe what these people say, ó ní mò ń sọ fún yín, ẹ lọ wo fídíò yẹn. Kí ló dé tó yẹ pé ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ nìkan náà yọ jáde? Iyabo ti sọ pé Mohbad kú sínú ilé o, inú ilé ló kú sí o, ó rí ìgbà tó kú o, ó mọ̀ ń pa ẹ̀ o, kí ló dé tó ń kígbe Naira Marley? Ẹ lọ wo fídíò yẹn from the beginning. What was she talking about? Kó tó di pé ó dé àárín ibẹ̀. The video is a long video. Tó bá ti fẹ́ manipulate, no máa cut ibì kan. Nǹkan tó ń pè manipulation nìyẹn. Kí ló dé tó ń play long video Iyabo yẹn fún yín? Kẹ́ ẹ fi mọ nǹkan tó ń try àti sọ. Tó bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ó kú sínú ilé, kámẹ́rà tó wà ń ta báwo ló ṣe máa rí èèyàn tó kú sínú ilé? Pé ṣó máa rotate 360 láti ta ó máa wọnú ilé, ó máa lọ wá àwọn nǹkan tó ń ṣe ń bẹ̀. See, justice for Mohbad tẹ́ ẹ̀ pariwo, ó ní mò ń sọ fún yín, and I will keep saying it. Gbogbo ọdún ṣe fídíò mo sọ pé Tupac ọdún 30 years náà fi réyàn tó pa Tupac. Wípé so technically justice for Mohbad, if it's going to take 30 years, he doesn't mind. Àwa náà, if it's going to take 30 years, àwa go mind. A máa explain fún yín pé reason tẹ́ fi rí kíní pé wà difficult ni pé there is literally nothing to look for. Kì í ṣe pé wọ́n parọ́ fún yín àbí wọ́n mọ nǹkan kan wọ́n cover ẹ̀, kò possible. Tó bá yẹ kí wọ́n cover nǹkan láti ọjọ́ ẹ̀, ó yẹ káṣírí ti tú. Kì í ro nǹkan débẹ̀ ni. If something was being covered by now, àṣírí á ti tú. Kò sí béèyàn ṣe lè mọ̀ ṣe tó táṣírí ò tí ì ní tú by now. There is nothing there. That is why it's so difficult for them, that they are removing word out of context. They are manipulating. Wọ́n gbé passport Wunmi wá, wọ́n gbé ẹ̀pọ̀n Liam wá, wọ́n gbé kíní kan. They are just looking for ways to just be fighting and become ajá gbogbo ẹ̀rù, because nǹkan tó fẹ́ yẹn wọn ò rí. Kò dẹ̀ sí nǹkan kan bẹ́ẹ̀. Ọmọ yẹn ọkọ ẹ̀ ń balẹ̀. Ìgbà tí èèyàn tó bá jẹ gbì ló máa kú gbì. Wọ́n ti pẹran, wọ́n ti ṣètùtù, wọ́n ti lọ church, wọ́n ti ṣépè, wọ́n ti pe kúlé ọ̀tẹ̀ lórí. Ọkọ ẹ̀ ń balẹ̀ nígbà tí ò pa Mohbad. Ìgbà tí ò pa Mohbad, ẹ wo VDM, àwọn tó na Mohbad nígbà tó wà ní ayé ló lọ rẹ́kọ̀n pẹ̀lú. Àwọn nípa ti àwọn Okoye, àwọn P-Square, àwọn tó make sure pé ilé ayé Peter lè tó sọ wípé kò ní lè kọrin Nàìjíríà, àwọn ló lọ rẹ́kọ̀n pẹ̀lú. If you look at it very well, VDM is the oppressor. VDM is the oppressor. Is the oppressor. Ẹ gbàgbé. Èèyàn pé ó sọ gbogbo nǹkan báyìí fún ẹ. Ó dẹ̀ jáde. Ó dẹ̀ lọ sọ pé nǹkan báyìí ni o, nǹkan báyìí ni. Ó mọ nǹkan tẹ́ni yẹn go through. Ìgbà tí P-Square ti jáde, P-Square was reigning. VDM was just 11 years old. Kò tí mọ̀ bí tó fẹ́ bá láìpẹ́ dé. Ó ní wọ́n fẹ́ lo orúkọ òun láti ṣe kínní, wípé wọ́n fẹ́ lò. Kí ló fẹ́? Kí ni P-Square ní ìjà ti lù ẹ́ fún? Who are you? Rí bí Iyabo ṣe ń sìnkú Goldberg. Who are you? Rí ọkàn wọn balẹ̀ ìgbà tó wọ́n ṣe nǹkan kan. Ọkàn wọn balẹ̀ ìgbà tó ẹ máa wo VDM ìgbà tó ti rí pé òun tún ti ṣe àṣedànù, aláṣedànù ni. Gbogbo ápù tó ń jẹ kò ní jẹ tán, kò rí nǹkan kan. Ó wá sọ pé read your comment section. Your propaganda no fly. With the fake laughing emoji, I have made the obvious point. If una like, add narrative join. I no give a F. You give a F. Ìgbà tó ti rí pé òun ti fail, ẹ wo nǹkan tó ń kọ. Kò sí àṣírí ń bẹ̀. Mo ń sọ kinní kan fún yín. Àbúrò ọkọ kò lè rẹ́kọ̀n pẹ̀lú ìyàwó, kò possible. Tábà sọ pé èèyàn tó bí Mohbad fún ara ẹ̀, ó dúró ti ọmọbìnrin yẹn gbágbágbá ni pẹ̀lú ọmọ ẹ̀. Èèyàn méjì yẹn, àbúrò ọkọ àti ìyá ọmọkùnrin yẹn, àwọn méjì tó yẹ kó dàrú fún Ọmọwùmí. Why do you think they stay? It's not because of money. There is nothing. Okay, tí ìyá Mohbad tó bá tẹ̀ ìyá amukú mẹ́kan, ó máa pe àdúrà ọmọ ẹ̀. Ó yá kí ló ṣẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ṣe bó wà nínú ilé. Kò sí nǹkan kan. Gbogbo àwọn tó ń ṣe kinní torí monetization, torí nǹkan tó fẹ́ jẹ́ ń bẹ̀ ni. Ẹ bá mi bèrè lọ́wọ́ wọn àti VDM àti Bukky àti gbogbo àwọn kan fún òṣì yẹn. Ṣé wọ́n wà nínú ilé? So how can they give us an accurate thing of what Kpai Mohbad when they are not even in the house? During ikú ìmọ̀dà gan ò sí nínú ilé náà. How can they give us the obvious kinní of what Kpai Mohbad when you people don't even know Mohbad? You have never seen him before. You are not even in that house when everything happened. And you talk on social media and create content. If it take VDM 30 years, it go take us 150 years. We still dey here. You want to go on for content in Mohbad make you. Oh, one of him make it. Report to ti. VDM ti anko. O ma ti lọ lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta ya ma turi. Ìgbà tó ti cast, ó ti go silent. Kò sí anybody tó ránṣẹ́ mọ́. Moving on. Òpònú sọ pé how managed she use her foundation to petition Naira Marley to collect Mohbad's royalty? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, tó bá fẹ́ pín royalty, ṣé orúkọ Iyabo ló máa pín fún mi? Tó bá fẹ́ pín wíìlì, ṣé wọ́n máa pín wíìlì Ọ̀tẹ̀dọ́lá, wọ́n máa pín dọ́dọ̀ mi ni? Àbí wọ́n máa pín? No, let's ẹ má tiẹ̀ sọ pé okay, wọ́n ní mò ń sọ fún yín, mò ń fún yín ní opportunity pé láìkì Wùmí. Gbogbo nǹkan tí bá ń sọ yìí, láìkì Wùmí, kò sí wàhálà. Hate Wùmí, kò sí wàhálà. But ẹ lo common sense yín. Báwo náà ṣe máa sọ pé okay, royalty Mohbad, báwọn lọ́ọ̀yà ló máa normal contact. Royalty Mohbad, ìdílé Mohbad ni, his nuclear family, which is Wùmí and Liam, and his extended family, the àdúrà bàbá Mohbad, ìyá Mohbad náà máa pè fún. Ṣé the Ojo's family wà ń bẹ̀ ni? Ṣé Ojo's family wà ń bẹ̀? Ṣé bí lọ́ọ̀yà ló máa pín kínní? Ṣé àǹtí Iyabo máa lọ dúró síbẹ̀ ni? Kí ló ṣe àǹtí Iyabo ló ń fẹ́ Mohbad ni? Torí I don't understand. Ṣé òun ló ń fẹ́ Mohbad? These are things that you have to just use common sense. Kì í ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ ọjà, kì í ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ kínní. But the process tó bá jẹ́ pé you put your common sense into bloggers' hand. Ẹ bèèrè lọ àwọn blogger wo VDM tó jẹ́ pé kò ríṣẹ́ ṣe látijọ́ tó ti délé ayé, ẹ̀pọ̀n ọkùnrin ló ń lá kiri. Ó ní láti kékeré àwọn lọ máa ń jí adìyẹ ní olè ló já kiri. Kò ríṣẹ́ ṣe, ó ń lá ẹ̀pọ̀n ọkùnrin, odidi ọkùnrin, géńdé ọkùnrin. Lẹ́yìn ìyá yẹn, lẹ́yìn ìgbà yẹn ó bọ́ sórí social media, ó ní kó máa dáwó fún un. Owó ti tán sí báyìí, ó tún padà wá sórí justice for Mohbad. Use your sense. Ẹ má máa gbé sense yín lọ́wọ́ blogger pé nǹkan tẹ́lẹ̀ ìbá ti sọ. Nǹkan tẹ́mi sọ yín sí báyìí, mo fún yín ní reason kẹ́ lọ fi fact check ẹ̀. Mo fún yín ní reason kẹ́ lọ fi fact check ẹ̀. Ó ní mo dẹ̀ sọ fún yín, VDM ò lè ṣe nǹkan kan tí ò bá ní profit tó máa gbà. Ẹ̀rí tó ń kígbe pé billions ní royalty Mohbad, kí ló kàn ẹ́? Are you an Loma family? Billions tó dẹ̀ ń pariwo igan. Ṣé bàbá Mohbad mọ̀ pé wọ́n jẹ Mohbad lówó àbí wọ́n máa kó lẹ̀? Ó ní tí inú tún bí VDM to the point that she doesn't want me to have anything. Ó ní tí wọ́n bá kó royalty yẹn fún Wùmí, tí Liam bá kú, gbogbo ẹ̀ máa jẹ́ ti Wùmí. And so ṣe bọ́kọ̀ ẹ̀ tí Mohbad bá wà láyé tó bá jẹ́ pé ó gba royalty yẹn, ta ló máa fi tọ́jú tí ò bá ń ṣe ìyàwó àtọmọ ẹ̀? Ta ló máa fi inú tó bá jẹ́ pé ó wà láyé tọ́jú fún royalty ẹ̀, ta ló máa fi tọ́jú tí ò bá ń ṣe ìyàwó àtọmọ ẹ̀? Ìbéèyàn tó máa fi tọ́jú nìyẹn. Ìyàwó àtàwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ló máa jẹ́ inú royalty ẹ̀. Tó eléyìí tó pọ̀ jù gan. Ilé tó gbà ṣé bàbá ẹ̀ ló gbà fún ni? Ilé tó gbà ní Lẹ́kì, ilé tó ń gbé. Mọye millions of naira tó fi rent ilé yẹn. Mọ́tò tó gbà ṣé bàbá ẹ̀ ló fi ń gbé ni? Ṣèbí ìyàwó àtọmọ ẹ̀ náà ni. Tó bá gba royalty yẹn, ta ló máa fi tọ́jú? These are simple things that you can use your brain to understand. So what is VDM saying? He wants the royalty should be given to Baba Mohbad because of the agreement to pay. If he comes to social media and manipulates the people and they give the royalty to Baba Mohbad and call Wunmi a crazy witch that killed her husband, automatically one man your 40% if one back. You think he will do anything for free? You think Bobo VDM Moja is doing it for free? One man your 40%. Mohbad has billions, don't keep it. Wọ́n máa yọ 40% fóun òun tí ò kì í ṣàlọ́ba. That is why they want to castigate me so that Baba Mohbad àti Mohbad àti VDM wọ́n máa ṣe àpapín owó yẹn. It's always an àpapín for every one of them. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ ṣe ń bẹ̀ ẹ̀yin lẹ fẹ́ jẹ́ ń bẹ̀ obìnrin tó dúró tọmọkùnrin gbogbo ìgbà tó ń lù kọ́ máa fún ní anything tó tún bímọ fún tó tún ṣe marriage fún. She was there until his last breath. Gbogbo ìgbà tó bá ti lu Mohbad tó bá ti treat ẹ tí Mohbad ò ní lè sùn mọ́jú. Who is treating the boy in the house? Who is the boy sleeping with? Who went through the process of life and death to bring a child for the boy in this world? Àjẹbẹ́ legacy Mohbad parẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ni now. Still no, she doesn't deserve anything. They should give money to Baba Mohbad that is almost 70. That is almost 70 that has done nothing with his life. And is going to mismanage the money. And Mohbad has a wife and has a son that is still very, very young. VDM is always crying for his shaking him for his pocket. Ẹ má jẹ́ anybody parọ́ tán ẹ̀. Torí àpò ẹ̀ ló máa ń jìjà jù. He will do anything for free. Odeni, if we check her DNA well, if it be saying na she born Mohbad through Mama Mohbad, only Shetiri nǹkan tí mo sọ. Shetiri nǹkan tí mo sọ. Ó ní ó lè jẹ́ pé Iyabo ló bí Mohbad nípa ìyá Mohbad. Ìgbà tó ń ṣe justice for Mohbad. Any failed actress ni wọ́n pé ẹ̀yin lẹ fẹ́ ṣe àwọn yẹn manipulate wọ́n kúrò ń bẹ rí ṣe. Òun lè ṣáà drag. You people are a bunch of failures, especially that video. Only queenless mother is son. Leave her. We like her like that. Leave her. We like her like that. Because if she did not, if she did not fight for that boy to be exhumed, ṣé àwọn Mohbad lẹ́nu ni ṣe bá àwọn èèyàn ló kówó sí lápò tó fi ń ṣe wúgàgà owó dẹ̀ ti kú wá sọ̀rọ̀ sí ó tún yín máa bó bàbá Mohbad. Just imagine tó bá yẹ ẹ máa sọ pé celebrity they did not help us do anything, they did not give us anything, they were not supported. Ẹ̀gbọ́n kan tó fi jẹ́ ẹ̀mú sọ ni wọ́n náà dúró de Davido's voice tó bá ti di election pé kí Davido náà kó wá jà fáwọn nípa election Tinubu kí ló kan Davido ṣé Nigeria citizen ọ̀dẹ̀ ọmọ America ló ń sọ pé kí Davido wá jà fún election. Ebi á pa yín dáadáa ọmọ American citizen born in America by birth. Davido was not taken, he was born and brought up in America. He's an American citizen by birth. So kí ló fẹ́ lọ ṣe pẹ̀lú politics in Nigeria? Ẹni kí Davido wá lẹ́nu voice ẹ̀ ó rẹ̀ òun ni mo sọ fún yín ẹ má gbé life fún yín or brain yín sọ̀rọ̀ blogger ẹ gbé brain yín sí ọwọ́ ara yín ẹ fa check tí blogger bá sọ nǹkan kan báyìí ẹ lo normal instance nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ó ní mo dẹ̀ sọ fún yín the reason tó fi ń gbó bí ajá is because they are losing in court. They are losing in court. That is why they are all angry. It's because they are just losing in court and they cannot take it. Wọ́n dùn ọ́ pé I lose kí la ṣe ṣáàmọ́ ṣe ní torí ẹ̀ lọ ṣe sáwọ́sọ because if they get evidence and they know what they are doing bí ìwé ṣe pọ̀ tó lọ́wọ́ VTM I still keep saying it. Why is the evidence not playing in court? What paid Mohbad? We are not asking for royalty. We are not asking for anything. You said you know what paid Mohbad. You are bringing evidence. Why are you bringing royalty? Is it royalty that paid Mohbad? And ṣé ọwọ́ Wunmi ni Mohbad ti fẹ́ gba royalty tí Wunmi máa wá pariwo Mohbad dànù torí royalty because I don't understand. Àwọn wo ló ní motive láti pa Mohbad? Àwọn tó jẹ́ ní royalty ni náà. Tó jẹ́ lówó owó iṣẹ́ tó ṣe tó kò lẹ̀ tó dẹ̀ lu ọmọ yẹn káàkiri. They are the one that has the motive to pay him, not his wife that was there when the boy is crying. The people that were beating Mohbad up and down and refused to give him and pay him his money and pay him up, even after he has left them, they are the one that pay Mohbad. They have a strong motive to pay him and take the money. And here you are bullying the widow. Wùmí ń ṣiṣẹ́ video mú jó ó wá ń gba donation olórí burúkú ọmọ àlè ọmọ ọ̀rọ̀ kírun ó ń sọ fáwa wípé the money in the engine has gone down come and donate more olórí burúkú ò lọ ṣiṣẹ́ ni. Wùmí níyẹn tó ń tarun ojoojúmọ́ lójókòó sórí TikTok ẹ bá òun rarun o kí ni Liam máa jẹ Liam ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ school o ẹ jọ Liam tún advertise irun. These people are struggling to survive. The widow of a man and the money still dey with the Malians. The money of her husband still dey with the Malians. The widow and the boy and the baby boy are suffering. They are struggling every day to sell, to feed themselves. And VDM, alápapín, only 40%. Ó wà lórí social media, ń tọrọ jẹ, ń tọrọ owó, pé ká wá dáwó fún. Use your brain. Òní ìlú kan máa fi gbogbo ẹnu sọ gbogbo ẹ̀ fún yín. Ẹ lo brain yín, ẹ má yà kán máa lò ó fún yín.